duty ba niya? Pero kaayo, ka-tired. Purag ka pasya lang siya. Pero kay earrings o. Labo. Ang init. Lakad pa ako na maghintay sa tram ay. Sobrang init sa labas.
Destination is Jumeirah Lake Towers. The gold class is at the front.
Hi, Timmy. How are you, Timmy? I'm here. How are you? How are you, Tim? Huh? Wow, Timmy. What are you doing today? Huh? Did you eat? Are you eating? Hi, Timmy. Wait, Tim. Too much hot outside. I need to change my clothes. Timmy? Miss you, Tim. Miss you, Timmy. What are you doing there? Huh? Are you waiting, Mary? You waiting for me? Huh? You know that I come? Hi, Timmy. Miss you, Tim. Wait, wait, I need to change my... Yes, I will give you food now. So hot, Timmy. Come here, come here. Come here. Come here, Timmy. How are you, Tim? Wait, Tim. I will give you food now. Four na lang your can. Your can is 4 pieces. Timmy, how are you, Tim? Your driver is giving you food? Giving you food, Timmy? Hi, Timmy. Giving you food? Okay, I need to clean your first. Wait few seconds, Timmy. Okay, Timmy. Wait 4 seconds, okay? I need to clean it. Yes, Timmy. I'm here to clean. Your mommy asking me if you are okay. Are you okay, Tim? Okay, Tim. You know that I'm coming? Yes, I will give you. Don't worry. I will give you half. Then later when I go, I will give you half. Okay? Okay, Timmy. Wait, Tim. Be patient, Tim. Be patient. Be patient, Tim. Miss you, Tim. I miss you so much. I'm thinking of you all the time. Ha, Timmy? Yeah. Eat all of that, okay? Then when I go, I will give you later. What happened to him? Why your sounds is always changing? I forgot to bring the plastic. Oh. Ay, sorry. Sorry, Tim. Finish? Finish? Meow, meow. Meow, meow, baby. What is the sound so like that, Tim? Are you singing or are you asking where is Madam Yuna? Where are you? Timmy? Where are they? You here? Alex not here. Alex not here, Tim. I will check what you did here in the room of Alex. Okay. Okay, Timmy, come here. Come here, go out. Come here. Come here now. Yes. Come here. Video natin, Timmy. Where are you? Come here. Come here, Tim. Come here, Timmy. Come here. So what you want? You want biting my finger? Okay. Come here, Tim. Timmy, come here. Say hi to Mommy Yuna. Say hi. Say hi to Mommy. Meow. Meow. Timmy, meow. Meow. Meow, Timmy. Timmy. You want like that, Timmy? Timmy? You want like that all the time? Timmy? Timmy? You want like that all the time? Tim? Meow. Meow. Meow, Timmy. So now we're going to balcony, okay, for watering the plants. Watering the plant, Timmy. Watering the plant. Watering the plant. Yes. Watering the plant, Timmy. Yes, we watering the plant, okay? For you, if you want to hit your body there, you stay there, okay? Okay, Timmy. Tim. Meow. Meow. Okay, Tim. I told you, relax over here. So, Timmy. What meow? You are here already. You hit your body. Oh. What, Timmy? You want me also here? It's too hot in balcony. Yuck! Very hot outside, oh. See. Grabe. Oh, gaano na lang kataas ang building namin dito. Nasa 25 floor ako ay. Oh. Nilabas ko si Timmy kay siging meow. Meow. Timmy. Meow. Meow. Come here. Come here. Come here, Tim. Mabigat kasi si Timmy. Hindi ko siya Come here. Nabubisit na siguro to sa akin. Sabi niya siguro lasing ka na naman ay. Inaamoy ako niyan kanina pa. Lagi niya akong hinahalikan, inaamoy-amoy yung bunganga ko. Hi, Timmy. Madam Yuna, Timmy is relaxing here. Every time I'm coming in balcony, he is always here in your plants. Sitting there. For the meantime, I'm cleaning here. He is there. Ha, Timmy. Are you okay there? Okay. Are you happy over there under the plants? Okay. Okay, I will not disturb you. Okay, Timmy. Okay. Okay, Timmy. Okay, I will. Huh? Did you miss Madam Yuna and Alex? Timmy? Timmy? Did you miss them? Oh. Okay. It's okay, just relax there. Waiting me or you waiting for Alex? Timmy? You always waiting for Alex and for your mommy. Timmy? Hi. Oh. Don't be sad. It's okay. Talk to Mary only if I'm here. No problem. Okay, Timmy? Tell me, what you want now? You don't have already for your teeth the dental food. So, I cannot give you. Kitty. It's fine. We are coming later. How many? I think 2 weeks from now, we will come back home. Kitty. Yes. Don't worry. Mary is here. It's fine. We have more time. Or bonding. We will play after my evening some other towel and then we will play, okay? We will play 10 minutes later. Okay, Tim? Okay, Timmy? I need to dust the bottle here because it's dusty. So what I need to do, Tim? Timmy? Tell me, Tim. Tell me, Timmy. Huh? Tim? Why are you silent now? Timmy? Why you are silent? Are you comfortable with me or no? Timmy? I'm scared to clean this bottle thing. So scary. So scary, Timmy. Timmy? Timmy? And be careful of this thing because it's a bottle. Oh, Timmy. I need to dust it. And after that, the cabinet. food.